Sabi nila, to know who you are will reflect who your friends are. And people will judge you based on whom you are company with. Well, for me, not everyone that has the same thoughts. Me, I personally love getting in touch to diverse people. I am a person that doesn't care who am I with as long there's respect and understanding. For me, that is what most important is. Katulad ng mga kasama ko ngayon dito sa content ng disay, which I enjoyed so much. I would like to thank my fellow content creator in these collaborations to move to disay. Also, may bago din siyang channel, ang Nomad 360. To Kuya Rod's amazing journey, siya ang aming naging host and also tour guide para dito sa content, and Vic Mateo Official. First time ko siyang nakasama. Vic is a simple, quiet person. I know meron siyang concern sa mata. I hope makilala niyo si Vic Mateo. Baka makatulong kayo sa kanya. Also, Vic is trying his best to have a good content in his channel, kaya sinama namin siya. Salamat sa inyo guys with these collaborations to experience the unspoiled beauty of disay Waterfalls here in Santa Lourdes. By the way guys, just a very short information about disay Waterfall. This falls is so near at hindi masyadong trekking ang pagpunta dito. From Mount Calvary, tawid lang kayo sa ilog na kayang may tawid even your motorcycle. Then, straight ahead, may mga kabahayan sa unahan where you can ask permission to park your service. And also, kung wala kayong alam how to get here, pwede kayong mag-ask favors sa mga nakatira dyan. Nasamahan kayo, and of course, syempre, bigyan nyo na rin sila ng tip as a token. And by the way, if you want to experience the same current ng waterfall na naabutan namin dito, I suggest that the best time to visit here is a day after a rain or during maulan na panahon para malakas ang current ng bagsak ng waterfalls. And of course, never forget to be vigilant sa paligid as extra precautionary while enjoying the moment here in disay Falls. And back to our friendship topic, having a same passion or something in life or common interest, mas madali mapuo yung tinatawag nating bond as tropa, kaibigan, close friend, or mutual friend. Mas madali ang communication. You easily understand the ideas. Kaya it is good that we should have to be open-minded in everything we encounter. Engaging to different character or personality in every people will help us grow a better version of ourselves, our mind, and how we live. Before we end this video, shoutout kina Aprilyn Escaren Santos, Angel Contumo, Florien Mendoza Valdez, Shava Zairus, May Hinchin Kalimbo, Det Ganusa, Jojo Magadan, Harold Alarcon, Alain Flores, Vinsky, Rinalyn Salisali, Aibel Austria, Emma Tumali Disto, Maria Animas Tumali, Annalyn Baring Cabanwa, Ana Marie Cayapas Alura, Haji Zainab Bienes, Shane Bernhard, Herman Brian Escobil, Jolifier Alcantari Abonates, Rosana Nicalex Francisco, Gerardo Dulay Caido, Teresita Upol Guti, Placido Sarcia, Angel Gabuco Jr.